Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone and carrier allows switching away from 5G. This matters because some carriers lock bands. Once done, backup contacts and any network profiles and open settings. Tap cellular or mobile data, then select your SIM or network settings immediately so you're in the right menu. Make sure to note current network modes. These references help if you need to revert. Now move to the network mode controls to change how your phone connects. In the network mode menu, choose the preferred network type. Switch from any 5G option to LTE/4G or 3G. You do this because forcing LTE prevents your phone from tuning to 5G bands. Select the explicit LTE or 4G option rather than auto modes. If your carrier hides these settings, open Carrier Services, Advanced, or APN settings and set preferred network type there. Make sure to save changes and restart your phone. Finish by restarting the device and checking the status bar for an LTE or 4G icon. That confirms the switch. If your phone still shows 5G, try removing and reinserting the SIM, then recheck network mode. As an escalated step, reset network settings to clear profiles that force 5G, but note this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. If any carrier-supplied profile or lock forces 5G, contact your carrier. They can change provisioning or provide a non-5G profile as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.